welcome to my new quick break unboxing, and my search for the chase figure continues. And because you probably think she's mad right now for buying so much of these hangers, I got them really damn cheap in a sale, so don't worry, I haven't paid full price for them. That would have been too much. First one is Twilight Princess Zelda. Second one is Wind Waker Ganondorf. And the third one, come on, it's Ocarina of Time Ganondorf. And I have I'm even unlucky with links in general right now. Well, thank you so much for watching, and I hope I see you again. Until next time, see ya! Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching. If you want to check out my other unboxings, click on the playlist on the upper right. Expect a new video on this channel every Monday and Wednesday. If you like video games, chances are you might enjoy my second channel as well. You find it on the lower left. Until next time, see ya!